I don't know, but I've never seen this before. It's like a new type of ice maker. It says desktop mini. It says a 10 to 15 meg for 8. Feels small compared to other ice makers I've seen. And it's not really heavy, so. I don't think I've ever seen one of these before, so when I saw it, I wanted to get one because I want to know how good it was. And it is small, as you can see. Very small. Now this is only for 8. It's not meant for all those other ice, but this is meant to be in the desk. Look at that. No, I'm not gonna touch that because I don't want to dirty it. Now let's try to make some. There was another big box in there, and I was wondering what that big box was. It's just a brick. I'm assuming this thing, so it won't use a lot of power. That's what's gonna help it out, because I was looking for the connection. It's only that little plug in there. Okay, let's try this again, and I'll do it a little bit slower. A little directions. 10 to 15 minutes. Why not? Now, if you're wondering how much this thing was, it was like, that was a little, like 80 bucks, I would say. Now, if you wonder why not get a regular one, because I don't got the space. So I just wanted something small. It says around 5 to 10 minutes. We'll check it out in a few minutes. See how it does. Don't look like they're done yet. It's only been a few minutes. And you can see it is becoming nice already. Dang it. There you go. See that? It's been a while actually. It's more than 20 minutes. But it's basically done already. Not as easy as it looked, right? So these things are supposed to bring that out. I guess I left it in too long. Now I'm gonna have to wait for it to melt. Again, I recommend putting a timer. That's the best way to do this. Okay, it melted a bit already. Now you can take it out. This is how it looks. Yeah, I left it in too long. That's why I couldn't get it out to my cup. There you go. It works. Feels really cold. It's just that I guess I left it in. I didn't put an alarm or anything, and I just decided to leave it. Forgot all about it. That's why. But you can see it's in my water already. There you go. Cold water. Ready to go. I recommend an alarm though. If this had an alarm, it would have been better, but still good. Peace out.